Yeah, that's good.
Let me just start recording on my quest.
Alright.
Yeah, like that then. So we're gonna... Should we do the game plan?
Let's see. I knew we had to kill that guy. What the? No.
You're gonna get cancelled, you.
And but what the?
Oh. Making it seem gay.
Nah. Baby, hold on. The match.
Right. So, gonna use red for our game plan. Smart.
Oh, that
So we spawn here.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think we should come down, look this way, like one of us stand here whilst the other one comes here, and then that one looks there whilst this one comes here, yeah? And then we do the same here, and then do the same here, but like where it's like that and then like that. Then we come down, enter through there.
Alright. But there's a vent right here.
There's a what?
There's a vent right here. Yeah. I got a vent right there. You can lead to this one.
Well, we'll go that way then. Where's the other?
Alternative.
Right, is that good?
Yes. Also,
Alright.
we gotta make sure the door is clear because some AI is gonna be there. Guard it.
Alright. You ready?
Yep.
Alright. Let's go. Do you want any of these on? This one's on, obviously.
Yeah, just put like 2 spawn.
2?
Yeah, 2 respawn. Alright.
Alright.
That'll be it. Shit, I'm not left hand. Ah, shit. Psh, 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 psh. Alright. Get up. What the? Bro, the hell?
Mission's live. Stick to the plan and stay on point.
Wait, remember that.
What'd you call it? I accidentally bought... Well, I was on a mission before and I've used wire clippers, so
Alright.
I've got wire clippers, so... If you need your toenails clipping, I can just clip them.
Alright.
Right. Right, you go.
Alright. Leady.
To clear.
Right. Nobody. Okay. Gotta check. Alright. Oh, people. Alright, got one. Alright. Shot one. He tried to kill us. There's a vent over there.
There's a vent.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I never knew this.
Yeah, there could be some people
do we
killing
open it?
us.
I can't see a thing. Oh.
Oh,
okay.
right here.
Enemy spotted.
People. Alright.
Nice one.
Okay.
Are you wrestling that main target?
Alright.
Or we
That
just
was
going?
bad. Nah, that door's bad. Look at him have some people. Okay, get a 2-2. Okay.
It's clear so far. I'm gonna open it for this, yeah.
Alright.
Clear so far.
Alright, go. Got one. Alright, I lean.
Nice.
So people can't see you. You just lean, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. The people's gonna be in living room, so don't use that.
Are we open?
There's people
Are we
gonna be,
opening the store?
but it's gonna be wasting bullets. So yeah. Oh wait, hold on. We gotta check this one. Gotta check this one.
Right.
Some people's gonna perch in.
Ready? Oh.
Alright. You have a grenade?
No, I don't.
Oh shit. Okay.
Clear so far, I'm not 100% though, let me peek. Clear. Clear. Clear.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna look at this door to see if it's unlocked.
Peek
Peeking.
at footprints, footsteps.
Had to peek. What the hell?
Where's that? Oh, it's there.
That motherfucker. That motherfucker.
I'm grabbing this.
Alright,
I got the USP.
close it, I'm close it. Alright. We killed that motherfucker. Alright. Okay. Where are we gonna go? Oh shit. Get this door over there, but we're gonna just make sure. Shit. Right there, right over there. Over there by his. But, oh, thank God, bro. Hurry. Shit. People downstairs over there. Okay, wait, I got right shield, don't worry.
Right.
No.
Why am I going taller? Why am I so tall?
What? Bro, what's wrong with you? I think it's your tracking.
Look how high I am. Look at my gun.
Bro,
Oh,
nah.
I'm back to normal.
Yeah, okay.
Reload.
Ah, thank God. Thank bro.
He's not
alright.
dead.
Yeah, no. He tried to shoot me. Got shot. We had to kill the motherfucker. Yeah.
Do you want me to open the door like this?
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Shit. Aw. Dude, I died. Wait. Bro, we just died, bro. Alright. We're gonna go berserk.
I'm getting some flashbangs. Oh yeah.
I gotta go berserk.
Okay. That'll be good to know, like, whenever we're exercising.
Yeah, we could be coming out the door. People over there. Wait. Yeah, in the garage. What the hell?
Inside.
Dude, nah, I swear to God, dude. There's some people.
How are we gonna break over this? Oh, it's open. Yeah, there.
Alright. Alright.
Is that I killed someone?
Got him. Alright, where you gonna go? Oh, this way.
I'll look on this way.
Alright. Reload it. Alright. Alright, nobody. Pick up it, just chartable.
Clear so far.
What?
Said clear so far.
We need to check this. Okay, there's USB.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about the USB. Just gonna grab it.
Got one.
I can't pick it up, so you might have
I'm
to.
trying to shoot through the door. Nope.
You're gonna have to pick up the USB because I can't pick it up for some reason. It's not like
Okay. Right there. Alright.
Nice one.
Is there a computer up here or not?
No idea. It could be.
Should be over there. Remember that location computer? I think. Alright.
It's gone. It's not there.
Damn it. Nope, nobody.
Might be upstairs.
So I gotta move my fan. So I gotta move my fan. Right. Alright. Breach this one. Breach.
Breaching.
Alright, got one. Shot his butt. Nobody. Alright. What's about doors? There's a lot of doors.
3, 2, 1.
Alright. Okay, never mind. Sorry, just checking my dad. Alright. I'm peeking through the door. Oh,
Clear.
alright, nobody.
Clear.
Alright.
Clear so far. Should we check upstairs or downstairs?
Alright. You trying to pull the shotgun.
Clear.
Nobody.
Should we check upstairs?
Wait, this one. Wait. Got him. Alright, we gotta check upstairs over there. Wait, what about this one? Oh, that's
cleared it.
yeah. We didn't check this one.
Oh.
Didn't check this one. Oh wait, there's another. Ooh, that's bad. Cramp. It's too cramp. Alright, nobody.
Yeah. I'll do this one.
But I gotta turn our night vision up blind. Wait, okay. Nobody. Alright, there's nobody. Alright, got one. He was standing. Hold on. The guy was doing search animation. He was like, yeah, the guy was doing like this.
Yeah.
That's, think that's searching. Alright. Alright, nobody. Bridge down one. Nobody. Alright, shot him. The computer. What the hell?
What's that red thing?
Why'd I hear it? Okay, wait. Oh. I thought the computer was there, but it's not.
So did I.
Wait,
Door
gotta
there.
check your library. Gotta check this one.
Right.
Oh, kitchen.
Clear so far.
Alright. You see, you know one?
Oh wait, someone's there.
Oh shit. You want me to
One
get
down.
shot? You want me to get shot in your vest? Alright.
Oh.
Okay. Ooh, there's another stairs.
Oh my. I'll search up here. Well, we'll both.
Bro, what I hear? Wait. I think there's a new update or something.
Yeah.
Or oh,
it's
there
a
you go.
new. Sorry. It's a
Yeah.
new update where apparently sometimes they wake up.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Alright, we gotta go. Nobody. Alright. Alright. Alright, nothing there, right? Alright. Okay.
Should take a dream.
Oh, this one right there. Sit your motherfucker ass down, mother.
Ready?
Alright, yeah. Shoot away. SMG. Motherfucker. Okay. I heard the SMG sound. Yeah.
I'm good. I'm gonna flash him.
Yeah. Go. Alright, point him. He's trying to return surrender. Alright. We gotta check everything. Alright.
You protect over there and I'll protect her.
People. Okay, people. Okay, we gotta keep a guard up. Window, through the window. We have too much trouble.
10 seconds.
I know, people.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We've got a bird on station to get you home. Red smoke in your rendezvous.
Okay, we gotta look for exit. There's an exit over there. Yeah, it's in the room. Shit. Oh shit.
I'm merciful.
Alright, you're back. Alright, shot him. Shot the bastard. Okay, good. No, don't search it right now. Okay, do it right there.
We can go through the window.
Alright. There's some people. Alright.
Clear.
Go.
We have eyes on your team at the LZ.
Lock
Your
in.
ride home is on its way.
Lock in. Sit your motherfucking ass down.
On Mike.
Oh, I got finished off.
Are you still alive?
Yes.
Good.
Alright.
30 seconds.
Alright. You're good. Just shit your bill. Yeah.